Take 5 garlic cloves and dice it. Feel free to add more if you're a garlic lover. Once you're done, put the garlic to one side. Next, we'll take 1 full onion. Cut off one end slightly to create a flat base. Then turn the onion on the flat side to make it easier to cut.
Chewy.
Remember to remove the skin, and then chop the onion up into small pieces. When you're done, put the onion to one side. Now, we'll need about 7 tomatoes. Cut the tomatoes in half and remove the stalk. Then chop the tomatoes up into chunks. Now bring a pan to medium heat and add olive oil. Add the onions, followed by the garlic. Stir to cook and spread well across the pan. Adding the onions and garlic together will prevent the garlic from cooking too fast and becoming burnt. When the garlic becomes slightly browned, add the tomato chunks. Then mix and toss well. Now, we'll leave it to boil. You can cover the lid to quicken the cooking. Remember to drop the heat to medium-low. When the tomato chunks start to lose shape and turn into paste, remove the lid. We can start to add some seasoning here. In this case, we will be using 1 spoon of gochujang sauce. Mix it well. If you like olives, you can add a few sliced pieces in. Next, we'll start to crack the eggs around the pan. You can use a spoon to make a little nice pocket for the egg. Remember not to stir from here. We'll cook the dish until the egg is half done. To top it off, you can add some pepper to taste. Lastly, enjoy.